Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Xmas to you all in advance. So make some delicious snacks with me. So I'm going to start now without wasting much of you guys time. I'm going to go ahead to add my flour into my large mixing bowl. Then I will add some instant active yeast and also some sugar, some powdered milk, and I'll go ahead to use my spatula to combine the dried ingredients. So next I'm going to go ahead to add my warm milk and also my vegetable oil. You can also use unsalted butter for this recipe also, and also my warm water as well. After that, I'll go ahead to use my spatula to continue mixing until I combine everything together. So guys, while making your dough, make sure your dough is not too much soft or sticky or too much hard. And after I achieve a perfect dough for my snacks, I'm going to go ahead to sprinkle some flour on my rolling mat, and after that I'll transfer the dough to my rolling mat. Then I'll go ahead to use my hand to knead the dough now, but in this case I'm not going to be kneading the dough for that long. You shouldn't knead your dough like you are making bread. You just knead the dough for at least for about 3 to 4 minutes, and after that form a ball shape with your dough. Then I'll go ahead to use my rolling pin to flatten my dough now. And guys, if you don't have a rolling pin or you don't feel like using a rolling pin to flatten your dough, you can as well use your palm to flatten your dough. And after I'm done flattening my dough, I'm going to go ahead to use my pizza cutter to divide my dough into 8 portions. And when cutting your dough, make sure you do not cut your dough too big. It should be at least medium size, like the way you are seeing mine on the screen, since we already added the instant active yeast, so it's going to prove when I start frying my dough. So after I'm done, I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil. Then I'll go ahead to start placing my dough in my frying pan. So after you are done adding your dough in your frying pan, then allow the dough to fry until it turns golden brown on a medium heat. Then after that, flip to the other side and make sure you fry the both sides until it is well cooked and it's turned golden brown also. So please guys, do support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also remember to join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family and also get other membership benefits. So after I'm done frying my snacks, I'm going to go ahead to use my strainer to take them off the heat. And after you take your snacks off the heat, place them on your kitchen towel to drain the excess oil on them. So after that, repeat the same process with the rest of your dough. So guys, as you can see now, my snacks is ready now. I'm going to enjoy these snacks with chilled soft drink. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.